Hello students, today we'll discuss IB Physics Data Booklet, Equation Discussion, page 7, Start. Subtopic 7.1, Discrete Energy and Radioactivity. So light has dual nature. In some situation it behaves like wave, in some situation it behaves like particles. And these particles are called photons, and each photon has energy equals to hf, where f is frequency of light and h is Planck's constant. Wavelength of such photon is found through energy, so they're linked. C is speed of light. I recommend you to memorize the orders of magnitude of different wavelengths. The shortest is gamma rays, the longest is radio waves. So gamma less than 1 picometer, then X-rays till 1 nanometer, ultraviolet from 1 nanometer to 400 nanometers, visible from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers, infrared from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter, microwaves 1 millimeter 10 centimeters, radio waves 10 centimeters 10 kilometers. Nuclear reactions. For subatomic particles, the total rest mass can change, and as a result the energy associated with this mass also change, and the change of mass of the system and its rest mass are linked by this formula, where c is speed of light. In which processes the rest mass can change? During fusion of light nuclei to form new heavier nucleus, and during splitting of heavy nucleus into parts. Structure of matter. So fundamental particles are electrons, leptons, and quarks. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 quarks. They have baryon number 1/3. They have charge, fraction of electron. Particles has strangeness 0, except strange particle. But strangeness you don't need actually, just for your knowledge. Leptons, electron is lepton. Also we have muon and tau. For each of lepton we have neutrino, electron neutrino, muon neutrino, and tau neutrino. Neutrino has charge 0, and electron, muon and tau has charge -1. Now composition. So proton consists of 3 quarks, so baryon number 1. Neutron consists of 3 quarks, baryon number 1. During beta minus decay, neutron turns into proton emitting electron and neutrino, antineutrino. Here antineutrino. Why antineutrino? Because electron is particle, lepton number 1, so we need antiparticle with lepton number -1. And here the same. But this time we express this in terms of quarks. So down quark turns into upper quarks emitting electrons and antineutrino. Beta plus decay, proton turns into neutrons sending positron and neutrino. In terms of quarks, upper quark turns into down quarks emitting positron and neutrino. Energy sources. So here definition of power is energy per time. For turbine, power is given by this formula, where A is area swept by blades, rho density of air, and V is speed of wind. Thermal energy transfer. This is formula for power radiated by a body, any body. Not black body, because emissivity here we have E, and A is surface area, T is Kelvin temperature, sigma is Stefan Boltzmann constant. When temperature change, the maximum of intensity lambda at which maximum happens also changes. They are inversely proportional. Greater temperature, less lambda maximum. Here we have definition of power. Power is intensity. It is power falling on square unit of area. And albedo is how much of scattered, fraction of scattered on over incident. That's definition. Emissivity, it is power emitted by radiated object by black body at the same dimension and same temperature. Finished page 7. Thank you very much for your attention. Next pages are only for HL students.